Hello guys. Today I want to tell you anything after that you understand about our this life, because on this time Sudan became N. After that now I want to help the people. I want to people, I want to learn this English about this among this student now, so that people understood. I hope, because education now became N. Education became dying. Education became dying. About that, about the Sudan. Sudan now became finished. The war became don't end. People, you forgot the education. Just now, education is very important now. After that, I want to tell the people, please, you lead me the few time. And this listen about today I want to tell people. After that you understood now. After that now start one by one. Please stop one by one. I want to talk about listen of today. Before after that I show you how to understood about listen of today. Just now any person you want to learn language language English, just please few time you'll come. After that you're looking for internet, you're getting me Tisha Ali Umar Sharfuddin, Tisha Ali Umar Sharfuddin from this locality for those. Just now I have intention now. I want to learn people about the internet now. Please, just any person you want to learn, you're getting me in the Facebook. Just you write in Facebook Ali Umar English. You're getting me in that Facebook. Right now